Good afternoon. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And yes, it is afternoon. And yes, I am doing a day of what I eat on keto. But I haven't had anything to eat today. But I have had 2 cups of coffee with heavy whipping cream, which will be 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I had some of the Tirani sugar-free syrup with that, and 2 squirts of stevia in each one. So I'm going to go on and check my blood sugars. They're probably going to be high because I forgot to take it this morning when I got up, and it's 15 to 2. It's pretty late, but it'll be okay. My dog Sugar, for some reason, last night wanted to wake me up every hour on the hour going outside. It's the weirdest thing. Regina said that she might have spring fever because it's been so pretty here, and she was outside yesterday. But now today, she's not been outside. It's in the 60s today, which isn't cold, but yesterday I think it was in the 70s. I don't know. It was really pretty yesterday. I really don't know what the temperature was. I know tomorrow we're supposed to break a record. It's supposed to be close to 73 tomorrow, I think. But then Saturday morning, the low is supposed to be 26 degrees. So this weather is just really confusing. But I'm going to go on and check my blood sugar, and then I'm going to do some more prepping. And I'm going over to my oldest daughter's tonight. She wants me to come over, and they usually come over here. It's hard for me to go over there. I have to take my wheelchair, which I've got one that stays in the trunk of my car, but then I have to get somebody to get it out and blah, blah, blah. It's just hard. But she wants me to come over there, and I'm going to go over there and see the kids. It's only a block away, so. But anyway, all right, so I've got the little strip in there. I've already put alcohol on my finger, and I'm going to... This is my ring finger. Ow. All right, yep, got enough. All right, so let me put this on here. Now we'll see what the results are. Oh, whoa. Okay, that is a typical example of what eating no carbs does for you. Now, I did have the heavy whipping cream, but my blood sugar is 158 in one day. In one day, my blood sugars are 158. So, wow, I'm really amazed. I'm telling you, I don't care what anybody says, keto works for diabetics. It truly does. So hopefully I'll be able to get it down even further as the time goes on. But I'm going to do some more prepping today. Regina's going to eat the egg bites, and I'm going to fix some boiled eggs in my Instant Pot, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to make some boiled eggs in my Instant Pot. And if you have an Instant Pot and you haven't made boiled eggs in it, this is the best way that you can make boiled eggs. The peeling or what the shell comes off of the egg so fast, so easy and quick, and it's amazing. Now, there's different amounts of time that people put theirs in there. I usually do 2 to 3 minutes, and then some do the 5-5-5, some do 6-6-6, some do 4-4-4. I'm gonna do these for 3, and 3. I'll do 3. And I've got 14 eggs in here, and no, 16 eggs in here, and my daughter gave me, they got a bunch of eggs, like 6 dozen eggs or whatever, and she sent me 3, and the date on them is I think tomorrow. So I'm going to go on and fix these. And so I've got my little thing in here, whatever it is. I can't even think of what it is now. Well, it's like a pedestal thing or whatever. It goes in here. Yeah, thank you, Regina. And then under that is 1 cup of water. I've got my lids. It's on sealing now, and so it's sealed. I'm going to put it on here, lock it, and I'm going to go to manual and then come down to 3 minutes. That's it. And after it comes down from this, I will let it, after it cooks for 3 minutes, I'll let it sit there for 3 minutes. Then I'll let the steam off of it, and then I'll put them in ice water, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I'm getting ready to prep all this food. I still haven't eaten anything. I've got 6 peppers, green bell peppers. I love these with ranch dressing, and I could just eat these and cucumbers and chunks of cheese for a meal. So I've got Tillamook medium. I've got, I thought I had, okay, well, I don't have Tillamook sharp. I've got Tillamook medium, 2 of those, and then I've got a Kraft pepper jack, which I love, and I'm gonna cut these up into chunks. I've got 2 English cucumbers that I'm going to slice up. All right, so my eggs have already been cooking for well, they came up to pressure, came down, and now they've been on here. So I'm gonna let the steam out, and then I've got a bowl of ice water here. I'm gonna put all the eggs in here and take the shells off, and I'm gonna eat a couple of them with a pork chop, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so my eggs are ready, and this is what I'm having for lunch. I've got 1 pork chop, and I've got 2 boiled eggs, and I don't know if y'all watch her or not, but Shelly's Home Life. This woman, I love this woman to death. She has some of the best dishes, and on her eggs, she'll put avocado and the everything seasoning for bagels or whatever. I think she's got one of the other stores. This one just came from Walmart. But I've got 1 tablespoon of spicy guacamole on here, and then the everything bagel seasoning, and I put a little bit on the pork chop, and this is my lunch. I didn't eat breakfast. It's 2:30, and I haven't eaten since 20 to 11 last night, so I'm going to go on and eat my lunch, and I will bring you back in a little while. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I have prepped all this stuff. I've got all of this stuff ready for this week and this weekend. I've got my boiled eggs. I cooked them in my Instant Pot. It's so easy, so simple, and these, I didn't even mention it when I was showing you my lunch or whatever, but the inside of these is so yellow. You see no green or dark color or whatever like you do if you boil them on the stove. All right, so I've got my boiled eggs. They're going in the refrigerator. I've got the Tillamook or whatever cheese and the pepper jack cheese in this bag. It's going in the fridge. I've got my thing of Hidden Valley Ranch dip. It's going in the fridge. I'll put this top on it, and it goes in the fridge. And then I've got a whole gallon bag of green bell peppers cut up here. I love to eat green bell peppers and cheese and the dip. So this is going to be really good for me this week. And then I've got a whole gallon bag, well, about a half a gallon bag of cucumbers, the English cucumbers, cut up into little spears or whatever, about that big. And so this is all going in my refrigerator. I still got to get some salad out and prep that, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. This stuff should last, well, I know the eggs won't, but the cheese and the cucumbers and the green bell peppers should last a good week. So I'll have that for the next week to snack on, and it's just perfect for me. So I'm really enjoying this, and just to see my blood sugars at 158 today really made me happy. All right, so I'm gonna get off of here right now. I will bring you back when I eat my dinner. Oh, I did eat a piece of Tillamook because I'd never had it before. It is really good cheese. A piece of the Tillamook and a piece of the pepper jack, but neither one of them have any carbs in them. So I know it's got calories, but it doesn't have carbs. So, but anyway, I'll bring you back in a little while. Okay, I'm back. All right, this will be the last post of the night. I am getting ready to eat my dinner. It's 20 after 8, and I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to go on and eat. And I've got 5 spears of cucumbers. I've got about a fourth of a green bell pepper. I've got 1 pork chop and some cheese, and then I've got some ranch dip here that I'm going to eat with my cucumbers and my peppers. But I also wanted to tell you I've done pretty good today. I'm used to drinking 4 or 5 Dr. Peppers a day. Today I'm on my 2nd bottle of water, and I use this Great Value electrolyte. I've got grape, and I've got blueberry, and they've got orange. They've got all different kinds of it, and this is it has 0 carbs in it, and it does have sucralose in it, but it's sucralose by itself. And so if you go online and see what sweeteners you can use for keto, sucralose is one of them. It doesn't seem to raise your sugar. So as you saw earlier today, my sugar was 158, which that's not amazing, but that's pretty good for my 2nd day back on keto and no carbs, with it being 223 when I started yesterday morning. So I was really excited about that. But this is what I've been using in my waters, and like I said, I'm on my 2nd water of the day. I did have, of course, my 2 cups of coffee. So but anyway, I really don't know what my macros are for the day, but I do know that this is not going to be no 20. What I've had today is not going to be any 20 grams of carbs. So I'm going to get off here and watch TV and eat my dinner, and I will be back tomorrow filming another day, and I will talk to you later. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you like these What I Eat in a Day videos, and anything else that you might want to talk about with keto. And look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and y'all have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.